Hi, this is Greg Geller from the Boatman Group, and we are doing the recording for the newest program in our line, which is Great Gifts. This could be the finest program we have ever come out with. So let's just hop into it. Actually, very quickly here, there are 4 sections. So let's go through them. First section is the classic, what Great Gifts is known for, which is their wonderful gifts. What you see is what you get. It is all preset stuff. The only thing you have choices on some items will be ink color. As you can see on these, you get to choose nothing, which really is nice because it makes the selling experience, a lot faster. So again, you can flip through these at your leisure. Again, all of these are preset. As you can see, no font changes. Every now and then you have an ink color choice. Great holiday gift stickers as well. So certainly take advantage of that. Not much I can say other than, you can see what this stuff is. Here's a little fun kid section or kid gifts. And then obviously our pad sets that are very popular. More pad sets. Little camping section. Obviously, for those of you who have clients that have kids who go to camping, these are extremely popular as well. These are great labels for boxes. Coasters, always awesome thing to use, letterpress coasters, and then our letterpress bottle tags. So section 2 is, as you can see, the Love Your State section, which we had done a trifold of this, and now it is a full-time part of the Great Gifts program. We've expanded it to other products, napkins and coasters, as you saw, and plus the pad set. This is probably the coolest section. So we now have a machine that we can print white ink on colored paper. So your paper choices are down here. Again, this whole section is white ink, so there's no choice on white ink. The only thing they choose is what paper color they want. What they can choose is, we get a little farther into it. Oh, well, it says it, here, let me go back. So on here it says choose from paper option, choose from font shown on page 80 and 138 to 147. So in the back of the book, they can actually do a little creative choices here, which is something new for Great Gifts. And then to design their own product. This is it right here. So literally they choose their, and I got a ton of motif options. So where you see a motif, you can choose a motif. You can choose your copy. I mean, there's just a ton of choosing. So this kind of stems from, for those of you who had the Great Gifts before, the Pad Your Way section. Can you tell we now have ads on our electronic flip program? Sorry about that. And just getting to the back section where, again, you can spend time on this yourself. Just know that this is the custom section where you can design. And so here's all the font choices. So make sure you're clear which font you want to use. These are the monogram choices and initial choices. And then here are the motifs and icons. So much. Hopefully you find that helpful. Obviously, if you have any questions, reach out to myself or customer service.